Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to do a background check for Skip the Dishes so you can start delivering and earning. First, log in to your Skip the Dishes courier account. If you don't have one yet, go to the Skip the Dishes website and click Drive with Skip to start your application. During the sign-up process, you'll be asked to submit your personal details like your full name, date of birth, and address to begin the background check. This step is required for all new couriers to ensure safety and security. Once submitted, Skip the Dishes will process your background check, which usually takes 3 to 5 business days. After it's complete, you'll get a notification or email confirming the result. And that's it. That's how you do a background check on Skip the Dishes. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.